Hey everyone, it's time for another Tinker.Dad video. This time this will be a short one and I want to show you something that I found awesome. But first I want to say thank you to Eric from the channel called MKMA Lab because he pointed me to IFT, or if you don't know the service yet, it's called If This Then That, and it's basically an integration service for IoT stuff and other services and voice assistants, or basically whatever you can think of. Go to IFTTT.com and check it out. It's really worth it. So as I told you, Eric told me about this service and I started experimenting with it, and I just found out that it's basically very well integrated with voice assistants like Alexa. But here's a guessing game. Guess which voice assistant provides the best integration for IFT. And no, I'm guessing. Thanks, Alexa. So it's time for a guessing game. Guess which voice assistant integrates IFT the best way possible. And let me tell you that probably you guessed it wrong, to my utmost surprise. The winner here is Microsoft's Cortana, and I will show you how. But first, just a few words about Cortana. So I've been using Cortana for years, but Microsoft is so slow on development that numerous times I just thought to myself, okay, they have given up. It's just time before they pull the whole stuff and it will just disappear. But from time to time, it seems that they keep adding features. And one of the latest and greatest features is how they implemented IFT integration into Cortana. And it basically looks like that it is restoring my faith in Cortana. I mean, is it possible that Microsoft will catch up someday to Amazon or Google? Well, who knows, but here's a demo. Let's see. Hey Cortana, do your stuff.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Hey Cortana, let's play Quake 3.
Have fun playing Quake 3.
Hey Cortana, let's play Overwatch.
Have fun playing Overwatch.
Okay, so this was the demo. Now let's get into some details. So this is my IFT account and this is a fresh account. I just set up two Cortana skills. One that was the first command in the demo, do your stuff, and the second one is a parameterized one, let's play something, and something is marked by $sign here. Okay, so first let's look into this one. Okay, so it's quite easy. Basically you can set up three utterances for what you want to say to Cortana to trigger this. And I just said do your stuff, or time for fun, or time to test. Cortana will understand these equally, and then you can set a response here. And as that part of this IFT applet, I used a webhook where I can execute a web request. Basically this is the greatest part for me, because this makes me able to control everything. I mean, I'm a backend developer and I can write my own REST APIs for everything and just put it on a home server and open it to the World Wide Web. And here you can call that service. For example, I can use this to handle IoT stuff, switches, locks, whatever. Unfortunately, the only thing I miss here is that basically this is one-way communication, so there's no way for a service to return something and expect Cortana to read that up for you. That would be great, to be honest. Like I could ask Cortana about the CPU temperature of my file server or something like that. That would be great, but it's not working at the moment, so we have to live with it. So this is the first command that I used in the demo. Now let's see the second one. So this is the second one. Basically, there's when you create a Cortana applet, you can create one without a parameter or one with parameters. Actually, there can be number parameter or text parameter or number and text parameter. This part is a bit weird. I will show it later on. But regardless, this is a text-based one. So it says let's play $, and $, is basically replaced with a variable. And you can inject that variable into the response. So when I say let's play Overwatch, it will say have fun playing Overwatch, because Overwatch will be this parameter obviously. And also, which is more important, you can send that parameter to your REST API in the body or even in the URL. By using add ingredient, you can inject the variable here, and the variable called text field is basically the input parsed from your command you have just told to Cortana. So this one is a bit different than the previous one. Basically it sends the text field value as a plain text to the service I've implemented. Now about that service. So I just implemented it in Java, and it's a quick and dirty service. It won't do too much. Just log onto the console doing stuff or launching, and the game name you have told Cortana as the parameter of the let's play command. So let me launch this up. And then, okay, so it's running. Hey Cortana, let's play Overwatch.
Have fun playing Overwatch.
And tada, it's there. So yeah, you can see that Cortana invoked my service and passed over the parameter. Let's see it one more time. Hey Cortana. Hey Cortana, let's play Battlefield.
Have fun playing Battlefield.
Yeah, it's there. So this is a great way, and you can set up whatever command. As I said, you can set up whatever commands you want. And I really hope that one day I will see this with Alexa, or to be honest, this should be pretty much a standard nowadays. Okay, so let's get back to IFT and let me show you how to set up such a skill. So first, obviously, you will need Cortana Integration when you create a new applet and select this. You can search for Cortana here. Now I already have Cortana enabled, but when you click it here for the first time, it will take you a previous step where you need to authorize IFT to access your Microsoft account and to be able to use Cortana. Basically, it's just like any social login with Facebook or whatever. You provide your password through a Microsoft login page and click a few buttons to yes, accept, blah blah blah, and that's it. You will end up here. Now you can see these triggers here. So specific phrase is what I used for do your stuff. Then a phrase with a number and phrase with the text. These look pretty similar to me. And then we have this last one as a combination of the previous two. So number and text. I haven't used it actually. So you feel it like, what do you want to say? Let us test. I won't provide any more. Salesman. Let's do so. Then let's create a trigger. Yeah. Let's say, let us test something. Step number. Then create a trigger. Cool. Then comes the that part. So we can use a webhook here again. Make a web request and just let me copy this one. Okay, let's leave it that way. Calling the service is not really important right now. And finish it. Now we have this. Hey Cortana, let us test something. Step 1.
Yeah, let's do so. Upcoming test of something step 1.
Okay, so as you can see, it's working quite well. And basically that's it. Obviously, because we're talking about IFT, you can use this not just for a REST service call, but whatever functionality of IFT, whatever service integration like Gmail, Twitter, whatnot. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you like this, and I understand that you are probably not a Cortana user, but still let us hope that one day Amazon will pick up this trail and they will do a similar implementation. So again, regardless, thanks for watching this, and if you like this video, please support me by clicking subscribe, and well, see you next time.